Okay. Okay, next topic is the numerical methods. On to calculate ataupun to find the mean, median and mode. Okay. Okay, before this we have the graphical method, right? For group data and ungrouped data. So this is the method of the numerical to represent our data. Here also we have for group and ungrouped data. So today I focus on ungrouped data first. Okay, there is mean, median and mode ni adalah the measurement of the central tendency. So what is the central tendency? It is a single value in the center of a data. It can be taken as a summary value for data set. So we will have only one value that will represent all the data. So we will have some other mean, median or mode. Usually the researcher will use the value of mean, betul? Okay. But also actually we can use the value of median and mode to represent our data. Usually we always using mean only, right? Alright, so for example, let's say we have the data about the ages of children in a nursery. We can find one value to represent the ages of the children in the nursery. So usually kita akan kira mean ataupun average, right? This value obtained is a measure of central tendency and it is commonly known as average. Okay, so we have three values, yeah, like I said just now, mean, median ataupun mode. So what is mean? Mean adalah average, which is we computed it by taking sum of all the data values and then dividing it by the number of data. So I believe that all of you dah biasa kira mean and then know how to use the formula. Okay, yang kedua is the median. Median is the value that lies in the center of the data and the mode adalah the value that occurs most frequently in the dataset. Okay, let's see the example one by one. Okay, for ungrouped data. Okay, the first one is mean. Mean adalah we know as it is as the average of the data values. Okay, it is calculated by the sum of all the data values then dividing by the number of data. Okay, so we have here, if we look at this formula, we have two formula. It is the population mean noted by mu and the sample mean noted by x bar. Okay, so if we have the data for the whole population, so kalau kita nak kira mean, ianya dipanggil population mean. If we have the data from the sample saja, so mean-nya dipanggil dipanggil sample mean atau notationnya adalah x bar. So notation dekat sini ni bezanya hanyalah because of we deal dengan population or sample. So usually kita guna sample mean lah, which is the summation of x, total of you sum up all the data divide dengan number of sample. Okay, look at the example. The monthly sales in thousand for 7 consecutive months of a fast food kiosk on R27, 59, 25, 31, 29, 25, and 28. Calculate the mean sales for that kiosk. So, as we know, the formula to find the x bar adalah summation of x divided dengan n, which is summation of x adalah we when we total up ataupun we adding up all the data that we have here. So try to sum up all of that. 27 plus 59 plus 31 plus 29 plus 25 plus 28, and we get 199 here. Okay, divide by 7. So we will have the value is actually 28.7. 2.4286. So what can we interpret from this value? So you need to know how to interpret the value of mean here. So we can say that the average mean sales for the kiosk, the average monthly sales for the kiosk is, okay, kena tukar ke dalam bentuk dia punya unit thousand tadi. So it will be RM to 22 berapa? 3 kan? So it is RM 28,428.60 cent. Okay, so that is the way how you interpret the value of mean. Okay, let's see lah another example. The manager of a men's store observed that the 10 pairs of trousers sold had the following waist size in inches. What is the mean for the waist size of those trousers? So it will be x bar equal to summation of x divide dengan small n. So you need to add up all the waist size from 10 trousers. So it is 31 plus 34 plus 36 plus 33 plus 28 plus 34 plus 30 plus 34 plus 32 and plus 40. It is 332 divided by 10. So it is 33.2. So we can say that the average weight size for 10 pairs of trousers is 33. Okay, we approximate kepada 33. Okay, so the next one adalah median. Tadi mean kan? So this one is median. Median adalah middle value of an ordered array of data. So means that data that we have, we need to array the data first before we can find the value of median. And then you need to know how to interpret this median also. So it is, you can say that the 50% of the total number of observation having a value less than the median value, while the other 50% of the total value having a value more than the median value, because of the median ni adalah middle value, titik tengah. Okay, titik di tengah-tengah ordered data. Okay, so step pertama adalah arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, and then find the position of median, which is, it is n plus 1 divided by 2, which is number of data ataupun sample size plus 1 divided by 2. Itu adalah position baru tahu, bukan you kira median lagi. And then locate the median value from the arranged data and hence determine the median value. So daripada position yang kita dapat tadi, kita kira dekat mana median value tu berada. Because of we have ordered the data at the first place, right? So actually untuk cari median ni kita ada dua condition, whether our observation is odd number ataupun our observation is even number. Okay, let's see untuk odd number. Okay, so dia kata kat sini, the original outpatient clinic dataset with 7 observation has been adjusted to enable the median to be the best measure of the central tendency. The new data are as follows. Okay, find the median. So first step, you need to arrange the data in ascending order first. So try to arrange it in ascending order first. So the first one will be 60, right? And then it is 95, 98, 100, we have 200, and then it is 105 lagi, 110, 112, 115. Cukup ke? 5, 9. We have 9. Yes, odd number of observation. Okay, so first we arrange the data and then find the value at the middle. So the value at the middle will be yang keberapa? Okay, sorry. Okay, so the position. So next after we audit the data, so we need to find the position. Positionnya adalah tadi kan n plus 1 divided by 2, so it will be n plus 1 divided by 2. So the answer will be 5. So means that the median berada di fifth position. So di mana fifth position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the median value. So we can say that the median will be 100. So how to interpret this value of 100? We can say that kan median ni adalah value yang berada di tengah-tengah. So we can say that 50%. Okay, so kalau nak interpret the data, kena tahu dulu kita punya variable. Data ni adalah daripada variable apa. Tapi di sini dia bagi tahu just populationnya adalah patient. Tapi dia tak tahu, bagi tahu dia punya variable apa. Contohnya lah, I buat variable-nya ni adalah blood pressure lah contohnya. Blood pressure. So we can say that 50% of the patient, okay, 50% 50% of the patient having the blood pressure value is less than 100, which is the median value, while another 50% of the patient having a blood pressure value more than 100. Okay, so that is the way you interpret the data. Okay, yang kedua pula, contoh yang kedua adalah untuk even number. Even number observation ni maksudnya dia punya sample size ni even. Okay, yang tadi sample size-nya odd. Kat sini dia punya sample size 9 ada 9 kan, odd. Ini untuk even number macam mana pula. So first step sama, you need to arrange the data in ascending order first. So here we can arrange it as 5, 6, 7. We have 3, 7. Right? And 8, 10, 11, 12, and 15. Is it true? How many kita ada? 10. Okay, we have 10 data here. Even number, right? Next is find the position of the data, which is 10 plus 1 divided by 2. You will get 5.5. So maksudnya di sini, the median will be in the position yang ke 5.5. So berada di mana 5.5? So here 5. Di sinilah berada di tengah-tengah ni maksudnya. Kan? Di sini position ke-5, di sini position ke-6. So because of 5.5, so it will be you tambah dua ni 7 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay? So the median value will be 7 plus 8 divided by 2. So the median value will be 7.5. Okay, so that is the way how you find the median for ungrouped data. The last one is mode. Mode adalah most frequent value in the dataset. Nombor yang paling banyak, kekerapan yang paling tinggi dalam satu data. Let's see this example. The marks of 30 students obtained in test 1, find the mode. So you just observe which data that have the most frequent that occur in this data set. So what do you think? So number 78. 78, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 78. Okay, 67. I think we have 1. And then 87. I think we have 1, 2, 287. Oh, I think it's 67. 67 ada 2. Lagi 88. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 79. We have 1. We only have 1. 70. We have 1 also. Okay, 75. We also have 175. 68. 1. 1 also. Okay, 89. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. 89. 77. 1, 2, and 3 also. And then 76. 1, 2, 2 also. If you can do the frequency table, lagi senang nampak, betul tak? 74 pun ada 2, 73 1. 78 ni satu lagi, 78 ada 5. Okay, we have 5, 78. So seems that the most value occurred ataupun the frequent number that occurred in the data set adalah the frequent marks that occurred in this data set adalah 78. So we can say that how to interpret the value of 78. Okay, how to interpret the value of 78, which is this is the nilai mood. Our mood value is 78. So how to interpret this? We can say that most of the students in the class have 78 marks for test 1. So that is the way how you interpret the value of mood. Okay, so that's all for this session. It is for the numerical methods on apa ni, display the ungrouped data.